You don't have a motivation problem. You have a distraction addiction, and it's quietly stealing your potential. You wake up, you scroll, you consume, you react. Before you've built anything, your brain is already tired. That's not laziness, it's overstimulation. Every notification gives you fast dopamine, and the more quick dopamine you consume, the harder real work feels. Focus feels boring, silence feels uncomfortable, progress feels slow. So you quit, not because you're incapable, but because your brain is trained for speed, not depth. If you want your drive back, protect your mornings. Do 45 minutes of uninterrupted work, master one valuable skill, think in years and not trends. Freedom isn't built between notifications, it's built in silence. So fix your focus first. Then everything else will follow and you'll see the clear difference in your life. That's all for now. Live young fabulous.